Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Huawei MatePad 10.4 tablet. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it must heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Make sure to heat the front side of the tablet. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. This process will take time and need patience. Next, gently lift the screen and then flip the screen to relax on the body. Next, take out the adhesive tape covering the LCD connector. Next, lift the lever and disconnect the LCD connector from the screen. Now you can take out the screen from the body. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, take out the power flex bracket by undoing the screw. Next, take out the battery and LCD flex bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the main flex bracket by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the battery connector, main flex plug, LCD flex plug and button flex connectors from the logic board. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, use some heat to soften the battery's adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the tablet on the heating pad to soften the glue. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, using a car pry tool, cut the adhesive under the battery. This process will take time. And also, do not apply too much force to the frame. If needed, add more heat to soften the glue. And also, you can always use some isopropyl alcohol. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. Next, clean the adhesive on the surface. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the main flex connector. Next, secure the button flex. Next, secure the LCD flex. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure 3 brackets by adding 5 screws. Next, place and secure the LCD screen on the body. First, slide the LCD connector plug into the LCD screen and then secure the lever. Next, paste the adhesive tape. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, before installing the LCD screen, apply adhesive to it. You can use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. To install the screen, gently slide the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure to the screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands and tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.